Okay. Coming to the next function, tan. This is the general tan function. Range domain is going to be minus infinity to plus pi, minus infinity to plus infinity, accepting odd multiples of 90. So in this place tan is not defined, and this is a general graph, and the range is going to be total real number system. It is in minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, graph will be taken in this manner. So tan pi by 2 time it will take plus infinity, tan 0 is 0, tan minus pi by 2 will be taken minus infinity. So this will be a graph. Same way this will be a graph. Same way this will be a graph. And same, drawing the parallel line to the x-axis, and it is intersecting in more than one place. Same, restricting the domains to the place minus, restricting the domain to the place minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, and in this particular domain tan will become 1 1 and as well as on 2. So we'll see where it is, how the graph of the tan inverse. So as we understood, domains and ranges, so this domain will become the total real number system. Actually it is the range of the tan, and range now minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This is your principal value branch of the domain of the tan. Now coming to the next, domain and ranges are taken minus infinity to plus infinity, and range is containing minus pi by 2, 0 and pi by 2. At the time of pi by 2, tan is taking infinity. So at the time of pi by 2, so it is taking infinity, and coming here at the time of 0 it is 0, and at the time of minus pi by 2 it is taking minus infinity. So this is a graph of tan, and domain and ranges are given here. Now coming to the next, coming to the next, same, cart. Cart is defined, cart will be defined on the total real number system excepting n pi, minus 2 pi, minus pi, 0 pi, 2 pi places it is not defined. And cos cot 0, cot 0 will be taken as plus infinity, cot pi by 2 0, cot pi it is taking minus infinity. So graphs will come in this manner, this way. Now restricting the domain to 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi and so on. Now principal value branch. Now principal value branch will become 0 to pi. So that is a restricted domain of the cart. So domain will be R, range will be 0 to pi. At the time of, so see here, cart pi, cart pi is minus infinity. So at the time of pi should be taken as minus infinity. So this is minus infinity place. So here we are starting, and cot pi by 2 it is 0. So at the time of pi by 2, so make it for 0 comma pi by 2 point. Next at the time of 0 it is going to infinity. So at the time of 0 you make it to reach as infinity. So joining of all these points, this will be a graph. So this will be the graph of cot inverse. Now coming to the next, now we'll see, coming to the next, cosec. Cosec domain is r minus n pi, n belongs to z, and the range is r minus -1 to +1, and that too it is open interval -1 comma +1. Now we see the graphs from total real number system, and accepting in the places of n pi. So pi 0 should not be taken, pi 2 pi it is not defined, minus pi minus 2 pi it is not defined, and at the place of minus pi by 2 to plus pi, minus pi by 2 minus pi to plus pi, so the graph is going to be this way. Sine graph is going to be this way. Then cosec graph will be above of the particular line. So this is a graph of sine, above of it it is cosec, and below this is a graph of sine, this is the graph of the cosec. Okay, so and coming to the next, cosec cosec will be understood here. Domain is going to be minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 excepting 0, because 0 is not defined, and that too generally it is principal value branch, and so this is considered as range actually. So this will be a range, and then what it will become the domain. Domain is going to be range of cosec is r minus minus 1 to plus 1. So writing the same here, r minus minus 1 to plus 1. Now I'll see minus 1. First of all, restricting the place to minus 1 to plus 1. So just generally draw one line here. Next, what are the ranges you are having? Range is taking from minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 excepting 0, minus pi by 2, 0, and here it is plus pi by 2. Now cosec generally it is taking pi by 2 at the time of 1, so pi by 2 time it is 1, so you make it as 1 here. And next, when it is coming nearer to 0, so it is going to infinity. Same way, 1 2, when it is taking to 0, this way your graph will be moved. It will be when it is reaching to 0, it will be moved to infinity. And coming to the next, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, and here also we make one restriction here, graph will not go above pi by 2 and below minus pi by 2. At the time of minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2 time it is taking minus 1, so minus pi by 2 time it is minus 1. And next, at the time of 0, it is reaching to minus infinity, so this will be a graph, and it is reaching to minus infinity. It is very most important. Now we'll see secant graph. Secant generally it is defined from the range domain r minus odd multiple of 90, and range is going to be r minus minus 1 to plus 1. Now minus pi by 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 places are not defined, and in the middle we'll see generally this is the graph of cos, and above it is the graph of the secant, and this is the graph of cos, and this is the graph of the secant. Same way, now we'll see what is coming here. Coming to the next, which is making its principal value branch. So secant inverse x, then what is domain diagonalize range. Here the range will be taken as domain r minus minus 1 to plus 1, and a range odd multiple of 90 should be subtracted, but graph is restricted in this way. 0 to pi you consider, 0 to pi excepting the place pi by 2, so range will become 0 comma 0 to 0 to pi it is minus subtract 1 pi by 2. Okay, now we'll see the graph here. And it is minus infinity to plus infinity, and domains are minus 1, 0, 1 you consider, and the range is taking 0 to pi by 2, so 0, pi by 2, and pi it is. Now just we simply draw one line here, so it is 0 to pi we are considering. At the same time, it is not defined in the place pi by 2, so here also graph will not come. Now coming to the next, at the time of 1 you see, at the time of 1 value, secant 0 is 1, so at the time of 1 it should be taken as 0 value, and when it is going to pi by 2 it is reaching to positive infinity, so 0 1 time it is 0, and at the same time it is reaching to plus infinity. When it is reaching to pi by 2 it is reaching to plus infinity. Now coming in this manner, minus 1 pi by time, secant pi is taking minus 1, so minus 1 time it is taking pi, and when it is approaching to pi by 2 it is going to minus infinity. So at the time of minus 1, at the time of minus 1 it should be taken as pi, so here it is, and when it's approaching to pi by 2 it will reach to minus infinity. So please try to understand those things. One time 1 to infinity we are moving, at the time of minus 1 pi, and next level sir it is reaching to infinity, minus infinity. So these are the graphs of the sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, secant inverses.